Dancer Season 4 2024. Sponsor siapa gad yang champion yang ke India Best Dancer Season 4. Siapa gad yo kenal yo like umi inu jing auri aura. Siapa gad yang new champion yang ini. Champion yang ke India Best Dancer Season 4 2024 ke jing tapti kau have yang Steve Jyrwa. So here we go, the champion of the India Best Dancer 2024 Season 4, Steve Jyrwa, the local guy from Shillong, Nangman Song. Hello. So in this moment, I kindly request the ex-MLA of the Clarion constituency, Shri Justin Dakar, to kindly do the honor to our champion, that is Steve Jyrwa, the champion of India Best Dancer Season 4 2024. So in this moment, I kindly would like to request Master Steve Jyrwa to kindly come forward so that our chief guest, the ex-MLA of Clarion constituency, to do the honor. Terkepat yang itu man bay wan bici kemat UAP gacing perkapuram na kekti yang chief guest yang UX MLA yang Isar Justin Dakar. Gacing kapti ko apa ya chief guest yang wada perkapuramu ya champion. Thank you so much, Sir Justin Dakar, and at the same time, thank you so much to our champion.
Hey bro, rumah
Tegatu ilai di chai, tapi gini gua yang ilai di chai, hai tai hatau di chai, tapi em gua pengkrai. Tadem ni tem sore ya chat tulung di siswa sore uzap chung chit kilo sao bang chung yu chat nang. Terang yo cucui ya giwayak keluar persen cakadong kenat geongi. Dayoi na Shri Pinskam Rengklem Tuberkmaishnong Aspat Tengka Samlang Rengklem Tuberkmaishnong Sanspat Tengka Iwa Black and Red Lang Jyrwa Pi Yo bidiki dikan yo bila decai dindang yo jiwi yerap hapok yung asam yung pi kamtam hapok yung lang gasalang hapok snong gatao yung pi talada am gidok gijor kiwasa kwa uwe kilo mesin cha gadong kecnat kami yi biwat ai hadrong yong ngani stage. Yang
20 yo pai ya Steve Jyrwa Malo champion yaga India best dancer season
2024. Thank you so much, sir, for introducing my name today. Hari por emle umenyo suyongi sa tell me true power umanle general Katishnong yong yong Shama welcome you, sir. Tell me true power the way talk to you have on the people Hari por.
Thank you all for playing you sin. That's right. Sans passing the vote here Steve Kadwa ngana wan do so spa kunde sendoni by mistake wo vote or yaga wi gata khar tangwa phirbi dilhe Hindustani. Let the show begin. Kindly, I would like to request Steve.
Come on, let's get it.
Make some noise, everybody. Such a day that one may be. भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शोहरत है और इज्जत है, मगर स्टीव जरवा को देखने के लिए यहाँ ने भगवान दिया है थकती वरा। So Steve Jyrwa, please kindly introduce yourself. They are your big fans. They vote for you 500 times, as I said before. So kindly introduce yourself to your fans.
Tuberkmaishnong Pajba Chat Phi Nong Waro Nong Ko Nong Sep Equally Au Ya U Trai Kanrat Wada Yo Bet Yo Biang Yunga U Emlang Wafi Hane Hasnong Wa Maya Hapo Tuberkmaishnong Dongfi Why equally O U Ma Bull Kanai Wada Kut Maya Uyanga Ha Kane Kajanmet Uyo O Shambanta Hane Kafet Yongfi Kuble Shubun Shiajangot
TOP, get ready to sound. Here we go. On the count 1, 2, 3, just wait TOP. Ashmit, get ready, hip hop. India season 1, please get ready. After Steve, you will be performed. So 1, 2, 3, roll sound. Stop this jump. Siapa? What is going to be your key? Change the stage.
Chong Chispa Teka
Steve, quay đi nè.
Chispa
Phải, quay thủ yến nè.
Saman Chila Chija Teka Yin Chile Chispa Teka Korbas Teka Jalia Sanspa Teka
Thank you so much bro for coming to East Jaintia Hill.